Hey, what's up guys? What's going on? Welcome back to Kchin Tonic. Welcome back to Vidmas. Welcome back to another brand new tasty Christmas food idea. In this video today is going to be a very quick and simple one because most of the heavy lifting has already been done. So without further delay, we're going to be making some Christmosas today, guys. It's different from the other alcoholic style beverages I've been making, as in it's not as strong or not as potent in terms of the alcohol content. Now to begin here, we're going to go ahead with our ingredients here. I have about 1 cup of pomegranate seeds here, 1 cup of sparkling grape juice. Over here I have 1 cup of cherries as well as 1 cup of grape that I went ahead and split into halves. And I also have some Granny Smith apples that I went ahead and chopped up as well. Now you want this to be nice and small pieces. You don't want to have it in long pieces because this will be a drink, guys, and you don't want to have too much of a big chunks or big pieces of apples in your drink. And for this recipe we're also going to be using a sparkling Moscato. Now if you can get your hands on some champagne such as Prosecco or Cava, that's probably the best option to go with, but I'm using what I have available to me right now, and that is some sparkling Moscato. So without further delay, let's get this recipe going. Alright guys, so basically what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be just adding all my ingredients into my bottle here. And if you have a bottle or a container with a wider mouth, that's even better. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and add my grapes and cherries in this bottle here as well. Alright, we're also going to add our pomegranate seeds into this container here as well. Alright guys, go ahead and add your grape juice into your container as well. And finally, you can go ahead and add your champagne or your Moscato or whatever you have available to you. And that is it guys. As you can see, your festive colors that you have going on here. This is a nice recipe for the holidays. Be sure to try it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to tune in again tomorrow for another brand new video Christmas food idea.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy